How to research topics in minutes using AI to find, summarize, and verify information. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to tell you about the use of AI for research. More specifically, to talk about 5 things. 1. Which AI tools are the best for research and why? 2. Using AI to read what you don't have time to read. 3. Using AI to compare perspectives and synthesize information sources. 4. How to verify things what AI tells you. 5. Key takeaways and free course links in the description below. According to a 2024 MIT study, AI-assisted researchers completed literature reviews in 40% less time than those using traditional methods, with significantly broader range of information sources. Do you know how to research in minutes? AI can summarize a 50-page report in less than 90 seconds. It can compare theories, pull out the most important information from academic papers, and flag potential gaps in your arguments. The question is not whether to use AI, it is how to use it without getting fooled. Here is the other side of the argument. It can also make things up and may present outdated information without a clear reference. This video will show you both sides, how to use AI to research faster and make sure you are not being misled. Do you know which AI tools are the best for research and why? Not all AI tools are equal for research. There's an important distinction you need to know before you start. I will just talk about a few general AI tools: Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini. These are trained on data up to a certain date. They do not search the live internet by default, but they are good for summarizing, explaining, comparing, and analyzing information. But they can hallucinate facts and have a knowledge cutoff. Web-connected AI tools like Perplexity AI, ChatGPT with research, these pull data or information from live web sources and cite them. They are better for current information and research where you need to verify information in your work. Perplexity AI is specifically designed as a research tool that show its sources by default. This is a significant advantage. For most research tasks, a web-connected AI tool is recommended to find and summarize sources, but you must verify the main claims using the original source directly. Tell me one thing. Have you used Perplexity AI before? Type yes or no. It is one of the most useful tools for research. Using AI to read what you don't have time to read is another advantage. Let's say you have a long document in the format of a report or a research paper that you need to understand quickly. Here is a 2-step process. Step 1, paste the text or URL if using a web-connected tool. For long PDF document, paste the key section in the AI tool. Step 2, use specific summary prompts. Not just simply say, summarize this document, like number 1. What problem this paper is trying to solve and what is the proposed solution? 2. What question does this document leave unanswered? 3. What are the 3 most important conclusions of this document? 4. What are the limitations or weaknesses the author acknowledges? These targeted prompts give you quality research summaries instead of generic overview of the document. It means you are treating AI as a research assistant, not a search engine. Is there a long document, such as a report, research study, policy document, or research paper you have been intending to read but haven't yet? Type what it is in the comment. You now have a method to tackle it today. Let's look at how to use AI to compare perspective and synthesize information. To compare different perspectives, you can summarize the main arguments for and against a topic from different perspectives and present them in a 2-column comparison table. To find consensus, you can use AI and ask, what do most researchers agree on a specific topic and what remain contested? To identify gaps, this is another advantage. Asking AI to identify gaps and what you have not covered is one of the most underused research moves. Tell me one thing. When you research a topic, do you look for one source that confirms what you already think, or look for multiple sources with different viewpoints? Type 1 or multiple in the comments. Do you know how to verify what AI tells you? This part is not optional. AI hallucination is real. Here is 4-rule verification framework. Rule 1. Never use statistics from AI without checking the original source. AI give you the data which may not be correct and verify it. AI could cite figures that are approximate or may be outdated. Rule 2. Ask for sources and check they exist. You have to find out what sources support this data, statistics, or information. When AI gives you citation, search for them. If a paper does not appear in Google Scholar or the publisher website, it may not be real, and you must double check and verify them. Rule 3. Use Perplexity. It shows live sources by default. Even then, click through to the original source for your research. Rule 4. Cross-reference with at least 2 independent sources for any claim. Did you know AI tools sometimes may invent academic citations? Type yes, I knew, or no, that is alarming. It is a known limitation anyway, and knowing it makes you a safer and smart researcher. Let's do an activity. Go to perplexity.ai right now. Type in a research question you have been thinking about or a research topic of your interest. Then look at the sources it provides. Click one of those sources and verify the information against the original source. Drop your finding in the comments. We are coming to the end of this video. Here are the key takeaways. 1. Use web-connected AI tools for research that needs live and citable sources. 2. For summarizing long documents, use targeted prompts. Main conclusions. Propose solution. Acknowledge limitations and unanswered questions. 3. Perplexity is purpose-built for research and show Sources by default, bookmark it. 4. Use AI to compare perspectives and identify research gaps. 5. Never use statistics without verifying them with the original source. The biggest takeaway: AI make you a fast researcher, but not automatically a more accurate or ethical one. The speed is real, risk is real, so you must verify data, statistics, and acknowledge information sources. I mentioned some free course links in the description. Subscribe for the next video, AI for learning and studying. Remember, learn it today, build it today, and lead on it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.